Let us now all unite in one spirit, in one loving heart, and in one faith.
Hello, dear friends and spiritual explorers. With all my love, I warmly welcome you to our channel, the perfect space for those seeking inspiration, depth, and connection in these fascinating times. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence transforms into a personalized spiritual guide, offering timeless wisdom at the click of a button, while Generation Z leads a vibrant and authentic spiritual renewal, rediscovering faith in Jesus in fresh ways, free from traditional structures. And amidst all this, mindfulness apps with virtual reality transport us to landscapes of infinite peace, merging technology and soul into a transformative experience.
Today, we'll delve into the emergence of this new hybrid spirituality, accessible, eclectic, and powerful, which elevates the sacred without completely replacing it. Is AI a bridge to the divine, or a reflection of our deepest longing? How are young people reshaping the future of faith? Prepare for a journey that will awaken your curiosity and touch your heart. If this content resonates with you and has ignited an inner spark, I kindly invite you to subscribe to the channel to join us on more spiritual adventures. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and leave your comments or questions below. We would love to hear your thoughts and answer them wholeheartedly. Thank you so much for being here. I'm sending you a virtual hug.
The emergence of a new spirituality, AI guidance, Gen Z renewal, and tech-integrated mindfulness in a post-traditional era. In the mid-2020s, spirituality is undergoing a profound transformation. Traditional organized religion, long the cornerstone of communal faith and moral guidance, is experiencing a slowdown in decline, but not a reversal. Meanwhile, individualized, technology-infused, and eclectic forms of spirituality are surging. This shift manifests in three interconnected trends: the rise of AI as a spiritual advisor, Gen Z's unexpected drive towards spiritual renewal, often centered on Jesus but detached from institutions, and the boom in tech-integrated mindfulness practices. Together, these developments signal the ascent of a new spirituality, personalized, accessible, and hybrid, that is not fully replacing traditional religions, but significantly supplementing, challenging, and in many cases supplanting them.
The rise of AI in spiritual guidance. One of the most provocative developments is the integration of artificial intelligence into spiritual seeking. Pioneered by figures like Deepak Chopra, who in 2025 launched Digital Deepak, an AI chatbot trained on his 95 books, videos, and teachings, this trend democratizes access to existential advice. For a modest subscription, $10 a month or 50 cents per session, users can query Digital Deepak about purpose, fear, or personal growth. Chopra's accompanying book, Digital Dharma: How AI Can Elevate Spiritual Intelligence and Personal Well-Being, 2025, argues that AI is not a threat, but a catalyst for personal and collective growth, endorsed even by OpenAI's Sam Altman. Beyond Chopra, 2025 saw an explosion of religious chatbots: QuranGPT, GitaGPT, Bible.ai, with apps like Bible Chat reaching 30 million downloads, BuddhaBot, and even Chat with God. Users confess secrets, seek absolution, or decode fortunes, often preferring the non-judgmental 24/7 availability of these bots over human clergy. Reports indicate millions engaging in algorithmic absolution, with some experiencing profound religious insights. In India, AI-assisted pilgrims at the Maha Kumbh Mela via multilingual helpers, while apps like Sadhguru's Miracle of Mind incorporated AI for meditation. Proponents hail this as revolutionary. AI provides personalized, gatekeeper-free guidance, drawing from vast scriptural datasets to offer tailored mantras or reflections. Critics, however, warn of commodification and risks, AI lacks true discernment, accountability, or embodiment, potentially reinforcing delusions or providing shallow bromides. As one analyst noted, these bots tell us what we want to hear, hijacking genuine spiritual hunger without the friction of human confrontation.
Gen Z driving spiritual renewal. Countering narratives of inexorable secularization, 2025 data from Barna Group's State of the Church initiative revealed a surprising resurgence. Personal commitment to Jesus rose from 54% in 2021-2022 to 66% among U.S. adults, driven primarily by millennials and Gen Z. Younger men in particular showed dramatic increases, 15 to 19 percentage points since 2019, with Gen Z leading church attendance surges, averaging 23 services per year versus older generations' decline. This renewal is not a return to boomer-era religiosity. Gen Z expresses high spiritual openness, over two-thirds moderately or highly open, curiosity about Jesus, and belief in God, higher power, 73%. Yet many reject institutional labels. Barna notes this as quiet, personal, unconventional faith, often exploring Jesus without identifying as Christian or attending traditional services. Factors include post-pandemic existential questioning, desire for meaning amid anxiety, and relational mentoring's role in resilient faith. Interestingly, Gen Z women show some disengagement in practices, highlighting intergenerational mentoring as key. Overall, this marks the first time younger generations lead spiritual interest in decades, potentially signaling renewal. Yet, it often bypasses organized religion, favoring personal exploration.
The boom in mindfulness and tech-integrated practices. Complementing these trends is the explosive growth of tech-enhanced mindfulness. The global meditation app market is projected to hit $9.3 billion in 2025, fueled by AI personalization and virtual reality, VR. Apps like Calm, Headspace with Headspace XR, Trip, Maloka, and Home offer immersive VR environments, transporting users to serene landscapes for guided sessions, while AI tailors experiences based on mood, biometrics, or wearables. Trends include group virtual meditations, adaptive self-regulation, AI prompting breathing during stress, and bidirectional mind-body feedback. Corporate wellness programs increasingly incorporate these, recognizing benefits for productivity. Neuroscience-backed, these tools reduce cortisol, enhance focus, and foster resilience, making mindfulness a daily, spiritual reset for millions. This boom reflects a shift toward present-focused, embodied practices, rooted in ancient wisdom but amplified by technology, appealing to those seeking calm without doctrinal commitment. Is a new spirituality on the rise? And is it replacing traditional religions?
Yes, a new spirituality is emphatically rising, one that is eclectic, individualized, tech-mediated, and often spiritual but not religious, SBNR. Pew's 2023-2024 Religious Landscape Study shows Christianity stabilizing at approximate 62% after declines, with nuns at 29%, leveling off. Yet spiritual beliefs remain robust. 86% believe in a soul spirit, 83% in God universal spirit, and 79% in a beyond physical realm. Americans reporting increased spirituality outnumber decreases 4-1, 43% versus 11%. This new form blends elements: AI for instant guidance, VR for immersion, personal Jesus curiosity without church, and mindfulness for wellness. It's flexible, curating a spiritual salad bar from global traditions, driven by globalization, science-spirituality intersections, and eco-spirituality. It is not fully replacing traditional religions. Declines have slowed, and Gen Z's Jesus focus suggests potential revitalization. However, it is profoundly supplementing and eroding them. Reasons include
Institutional distrust. Scandals, politics, and rigidity push seekers toward non-judgmental alternatives. Accessibility and personalization. Tech offers on-demand, tailored experiences without commitment. Cultural shifts. Post-pandemic anxiety, digital nativity, and individualism favor private over communal faith. Generational dynamics. Gen Z craves authenticity and community, but on their terms, often online or hybrid. Critics argue this new spirituality risks superficiality, lacking embodied community, moral friction, or depth. Proponents see empowerment and evolution. In conclusion, 2025 marks a pivotal moment. Traditional religions persist but adapt, while a vibrant, tech-infused spirituality fills voids. This hybrid landscape, AI gurus, VR Zen, and personal Jesus, promises broader access to meaning, but raises questions about depth, community, and authenticity in an algorithmically mediated soul search. The future of faith may not be institutional revival, but a diffused, dynamic spirituality reshaping human transcendence.